Hello, third graders. We are in lesson 1-12 for Math Message. So we are on journal page 25 right now. All right, in front I have a pan balance. It looks like there's a bucket on one side and a bucket on another side. And look at how straight and flat this is. What do you think a pan balance is used for? And maybe you've used one before. Well, let's see. I have this weight that is 1 gram. What happens if I put it in this bucket? Oh, it's heavier. So it goes down on this side. Well, what if I even it out and I put a 1 gram on this side? What do you think is going to happen? Oh, look at that. It's even on both sides. So weight affects our pan balance. Now, weight is how heavy something is. Weight is, how much is it going to weigh? We have another vocab word, and that's called mass. Mass is the amount of space inside of the thing we are measuring, and weight is, or in mass, or oh my goodness, excuse me. And weight is how heavy something is. So this weighs 1 gram. And this weighs 1 gram. They have the same mass. They can hold the same amount on the inside, and they both weigh 1 gram. Okay, if you are on page 25, we are going to write some or draw in some pictures for a pan balance. Okay, I am going to put a 50 on this side. So draw kind of a rectangle shape and put 50 G. G stands for grams. Now I'm going to tell you, I have 50s. Can you see that? We have 50. We have 20. We have 10. We have 5, 2, and 1. And I'll put that in a text right now. So 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1 grams. And I should put a G behind all of these, shouldn't I? Because each weight is a gram, but there's some that are bigger and there's some that are smaller. So in our math journal page, and I should get back to not this one. In our math journal page, not this one. Still not this one. Thanks for holding in there with me. Oh boy. Here. Oh, that's gonna be. Okay, this is what we need. So, in this side, I want you to draw a rectangle and write 50G. And you know what? We're gonna do 50G for all of these. So you can go ahead and put 50G on all of them. Because we want both sides to be even. Do you see how this is straight across? It means the pan balances are even on both sides. And you're going to figure out more than one way to make these sides equal to 50 grams. So we're going to start with 50 grams on one side. So right now, like our pan balance, this side will be way, way down. We need to figure out how we can get to 50 on this side. 5 different ways. 5 different ways to get to 50 grams. Let's take a look here. Here's my toolkit. How could I get to 50 grams? Well, could I go 20, 40? Can I add another 20? Oh no, because 20, 40, 60. Are they even? Nope, I can't do that. So I'm going to take it away. 20, 40. How much more till I get to 50? If you said 10, you were correct. So how would I draw that? I would go back here. I would draw 2 bigger boxes, rectangles, and 1 smaller one. And I could go 20 grams. Oops, that's a G. 20 grams. And what do we have for the last one? 20, 40, and then 50. So we need a 10. Are both sides equal now? Well, if this has 50 grams and this has 20, 40, 50 grams, would our pan balance be equal? You betcha. What's another way? Oops, I took my whole scale with us. What's another way that we could equal 50 grams. Remember, we have weights that are 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. Well, could I draw ones? How many ones would I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would need 50 little ones. Could I draw 50 little ones? You could if you wanted to. Oops, but my bucket is full. You can draw in 50 if you would like. I cannot on my screen. What if I counted by tens? I'll give you one more hint. What if I counted by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Draw in how many ever shapes you need of tens to equal 50. Then come up with another three different weights that will equal 50 because all of our pan balances are straight across, which means they're equal. So if we have 50 grams on this side, figure out how you can get 3 more ways of 50 grams after you finish number 2. Okay, when you're finished with this video, send a picture to your teacher and hop on over to our second video of the day.